everyone, welcome to Communications Essentials. My name's Jackie Woods-Powell. I'm going to be your professor for the next 13 weeks. I just wanted to make a short video to introduce myself to you so that you can put a name to a face and tell you a little bit about myself. I'm currently on a secondment, which is really doing work around the college that's teaching related, but not just teaching. And I work for the Office of Academic Quality, and that is very neat because it means that I work with teachers, professors from other areas of the college on developing curriculum and making sure that everything is okay, it meets the ministry requirements. And that's pretty neat because it means that I have some idea about the kinds of material or the programs you're taking. And so that's a nice connection. Before that, I was the coordinator for communications courses at the college. So I think that role really helped me to understand some of the issues that students may have and really to understand that there are certain times in the semester where things become quite difficult. So if you're experiencing any kind of difficulty, please make sure that you reach out to me and to your other professors. Don't try and just ignore problems, seek help, seek advice. That's really important to remember. I think that's enough about me. I just wanted to put a name to a face and to ask you to continue to view on. There's a screencast below. And that really takes you on a tour around Blackboard and about how the material is organised and really will help you as you move forward. So, I'd just like to welcome you to Georgian. I'd like to welcome you to this section of Communication Essentials and wish you all the very best for your future studies. Okay, good luck.